Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 19. When the seer beholds no agent other than the gunas and knows him who is higher than the gunas, he attains to my being.
Chapter 14, Shloka 19. Nanyang gunebhya kartaram yadha drashtanupashyati gunebhyascha param veti madbhavam sodhigacchati.
Chapter 14, Shloka 19. To describe the path of liberation and to explain moksha gained from a right judgment of the world outside, Lord says, our present condition is that the spirit has got entangled in the three gunas. One who is standing in a moving train is constantly on the move, even though he is standing motionless in the train. Similarly, the spirit identifying itself with and therefore riding on the mind-intellect equipment dances to the moods of the mind determined by the three gunas. To stand apart from the mind by ending all our identification with it is to get complete freedom from the clutches of our thought entanglements, which is achieved in meditation. The experiencer of the self realizes himself to be the infinite and that the ego, which claimed to be the agent in all his activities, was the gunas themselves or the subtle body. The mind is inert and cannot function on its own. Consciousness, which functions in and through the mind, enlivening it, is other than the mind. The consciousness reflected in the mind is the agent, the individualized ego, jiva, in us, who suffers the sense of self-shatterings. One who has understood that he is something other than the gunas is the one who has escaped forever the shackles of all limitations. An individual who has thus transcended his own mind and intellect and positively rediscovered to be that which was lending to his own mind the capacity to delude himself, that man of wisdom becomes the self. Spirit entangled in matter is man, and man disentangled from its matter identifications not only rediscovers but also becomes the spirit. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.